everyone, my name is Lisa Boson. I'm the owner of It's Your Season Life, and I have a series of videos and podcasts and tips and tools on my website. And today I want to feature a wonderful product that I just dearly love and then found out I can get them here in northern Colorado. So thanks for joining me today, and let's get started with this really quick tutorial. I found Amy's French Market online. I had gotten back from Provence last year and had made some wonderful discoveries, including this wonderful product, a garlic grater. And Amy is actually in Denver, and I'm in Fort Collins, about 50 miles away. So I've had fun chit-chatting back and forth, and we wanted to do this collaboration and show you exactly what to do with this garlic grater. This is one of my favorite kitchen tools. It offers a lot of quick options for just taking a dish to another level. So I'm going to show you how to use it, and then how you can elevate a couple of dishes with the wonderful garlic you're going to get from this. So just really quick, a simple thought before we get going with the grater. Colorado has multiple growers that grow many different kinds. One grower, Longshot Farms in Longmont, has 18 different kinds of garlic. Who knew? Most of the time in the store you normally get just a white Antillium. For this particular dish, I'm going to do Scotty's Red, which is local to Fort Collins, grown by On the Vine. So I do want to do a quick shout out to those wonderful growers. So basically the ceramic has teeth in the bottom of it. So it's almost like two utensils in one. You get a nice little ceramic dish that also has teeth. So you can use it to grate as well as to make your sauce. So the benefits to grating, mashing, and mincing, and we're grating here, is the more cells you break it down, the stronger the flavor, and especially if you have super fresh garlic like this, which has a lot of moisture in it. You can use a microplane, but really this is two workhorses in one, and it's such a wonderful tactile experience. So basically, super simple. You're just going to take your garlic, okay, no problem, take that off, and you'll grate your garlic on the bottom along the teeth. So just be a little bit careful. They can be a wee sharp, but nothing terrible, nothing you can't handle. And what happens is it almost just starts to emulsify, and you'll start smelling this wonderful garlic aroma. And then when you get down to the last little nugget, I just get one of these super small silicone spatulas and mash it in. And lo and behold, I might even turn on some light. Wow, you have like this wonderful paste. And so then it's super simple after that. You're just going to take some very flavorful olive oil. And so when you have two amazing ingredients like a super fresh garlic and some, this is my French olive oil from Saint Remy from our trip last year. Now how easy is this? You add your garlic, you add your olive oil, and just let it just totally immerse and mix into the olive oil. And you don't need a whole lot. So a lot of people are like, oh, how much, how little? Maybe a tablespoon of olive oil in here, maybe. And just let that lovely garlic just emulsify. You can't do this with a microplane. So at this point in our household, I will take this and just mix it into a salad, add maybe some nutritional yeast and some spices and salt and pepper, and call it done. You can certainly take a little bit of lemon juice and maybe a teaspoon of honey. I'm a beekeeper, so I use my honey, and mix it up and have a little more of vinaigrette. You could add a little balsamic if you wanted to. But honestly, my husband doesn't like vinegar, so lemon juice is about all I can do. So what I'm going to do is I have some leftover pasta. Sometimes you just have a little bit of something you need to use up. It already has a little bit of microgreens in there. And you might need a little snack or a little light lunch. Okay. You could just, I mean, how easy is that? Add a few colorful tomatoes and some basil chiffonade. And you are done. You have just a super nice, easy, call it a snack. This is high protein pasta. Use whatever you want. Again, sometimes if you have a little bit of leftovers, isn't that easy? You can certainly just freshen up some leftovers, just enough to have a little snack, maybe with a salad if you're by yourself. So you can't do that with a microplane, I'm just telling you. You can do it with Amy's French Market. Beautiful, beautiful garlic grater. And they come in beautiful styles too. And they're kind of hard to find, I'll be honest. So this one has, I think it's a poppy on it. And she's got ones with houses and lavender. So thanks for joining me today and experiencing this new technique and this new item. Be sure and go out and look at Amy's French Market and browse. You might even wind up with an apron just like mine. And when you do get your stuff, just remember she packages it beautifully. I have to show you really quick. She puts everything in this amazing purple box, so you know you're getting something from Amy's when you're getting your purple box on the doorstep. And yeah, be sure and go out and visit some of my other videos on some cool tips so you can just eat more veg and enjoy more life. And remember, let's celebrate life at any age. Thanks for joining me. So don't forget, not just a salad, you can drizzle it as a finish on soup, on pasta, maybe some hummus. And go ahead and experiment with some different cuisines. It absolutely lends itself to anything Mediterranean, in the Italian, Spanish, French, Ethiopian, any of those cuisines. But yeah, sure, go ahead, try some crossovers, use some different oils, maybe a touch of sesame with just some plain oil, and put it on some udon noodles. That'd be totally cool. But sure, super easy. Amy's French Market. I'm in love. I'm in love with my garlic graters.